Hello, in this video I want to show you how to enter Bluetooth pairing mode on Arctis Nova Pro wireless headset. And to do this, we'll need to look on the right headphone right here, and you can see the Bluetooth button. It looks like this. There's a LED lamp right above it. Now it's turned off because the LED lamp is not flashing. If you want to power on the Bluetooth, simply hold the power Bluetooth key for 1 second and it will start. Now to enter pairing mode, we'll need to disable it. So make sure that it's disabled and that the LED lamp is not flashing. And here, let's start the pairing mode. Hold the Bluetooth key for longer than 3 seconds so that the LED lamp starts flashing rapidly. And you hear a beep sound, and that means we're in a pairing mode right now. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.